Sikkens Cetol HLS Plus and Filter 7 Plus are a high-end super duo who have no trouble in protecting window frames, doors, cladding and outdoor furniture for years to come while giving a superb finish. But I know what you're thinking. I've got enough complication in my life, why do I need to buy both tins? We're here to stop you running away and promising you won't be disappointed giving these two powerhouses a go on your project. So first up, why are these two tins a match made in heaven? Or the Netherlands if you want to be picky. Well, they are perfectly designed to work as a three-coat system. Let's focus on Cetol HLS Plus first. This is a highly water-repellent, penetrating, low-build stain which you use as your base coat, coat number one. It can be used as a standalone product on rough sawn timber like cladding and decking, but remember the three-coat rule. That said, we would recommend using it with Cetol Filter 7 Plus. This is a medium-build semi-gloss top coat with added UV filters designed to be the final two finishing coats on your project. It's extremely flexible, so great for joinery, and is the barrier you need for timber exposed to a lot of weather like doors and windows. When it comes to preparation and application, your timber should be clean, dry and free from any dust, dirt, debris and surface coatings such as paint or varnish. Do not use these guys on substrates or wood preservatives which have water repellent properties, basically timber that contains silicone or waxes. They won't bond or dry and will leave you in a right old mess. So first, we're going to apply a coat of HLS Plus. We've gone for the colour light oak, which is going to stain and give this piece of pine cladding a decent colour. This is acting as your primer for the Filter 7. Imagine trying to put a gloss paint straight onto bare wood. You wouldn't do it, would you? And like primers come in all different colours depending on what the top coat is. The great thing about Sikkens is that your Cetol HLS Plus comes in exactly the same colour that your Filter 7 does. Really easy to put on, transform that old bit of pine cladding into a light oak. We'll now leave this to dry for 24 hours. And now 2 coats of Filter 7 Plus will literally seal the deal. Don't panic if you open the tin and you feel that the colour looks different to the HLS Plus. It's not, it's just giving it that bold, proper, in our case, light oak colour. Don't overdo it, just light coats so that you're not saturating the wood too much. It's just such lovely stuff to put on. Our plank of cladding is now ready to face whatever weather it gets thrown at it over the next 5 years or so. Sun, heat, rain, snow, freezing temperatures, the lot. We would recommend a maintenance coat after 4 to 5 years on the full system and 3 to 4 years on 3 coats of HLS. This really is the system to use for a premium finish and ultimate protection. And the great thing is, it comes in a load of colours mixed to order. Any questions? We're ready to help. Call the Woodcare experts on 01303 477 555 and shop online at woodfinishesdirect.com.